Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just wanted to make sure you like and subscribe. Today we are looking at what to look for when buying a Kurt vise, which is also interchangeable to being a CNC vertical mill or CNC machining center vise. So we're going to take a look at what to look for when buying a CNC or vertical mill vise that is used. So what you want to do is look out the ways right here. These ways, you want to make sure that you have a serial number of the vise. That way you can go and call Kurt and get parts for it. Right here we have the jaws, but they are on the outside, but they're interchangeable to be on the inside. What you also want to look at is any holes on the ways. Right here you don't have any holes, you have a little bit of a ding up here, but that has no interaction with using the vise whatsoever. So if we look inside, you guys want to make sure that the screw and the ways are intact and are very, very good. Now what we want to do is, you want to make sure, by the way, that this is tight right here. And you guys also have everything all the way to the clip right here, which if you guys turn the vise, you're going to feel that if there's any play. Make sure that you guys, that the vise doesn't have any play. Sometimes in the vices, when they get worn out or they are abused, you're going to have play in the screw, which is right here. As you can see, this screw is very, very clean. You always want to make sure that the vise has a clean screw and your ways are clean as well. What I've done over here is I've put DW40 on the ways so that you don't have any gunk growing inside the ways right here. I also put it on the screw right there. And also on the ways right here, you put a lot of DW40. I put DW40 because that keeps the vise from rusting over the screw as well. So what we're going to do is, you're also going to look on the side of the vise right here. You're going to go to you always want to see that it has the Kurt symbol, because if the Kurt symbol is off of it, it could be an aftermarket vise. A lot of times they tend to copy the Kurt brand. So what you want to do is, you also want to take a look at if they have the R, which is the authenticity of the vise. As you could see over here, it also has the right here, it has the U.S. patent pending, the D6315, which is really intact in the vise. It has the screw, which is screwed in. I could show you right there. It's got it screwed in. And if I go back, you guys want to make sure that the lip of the vise is always there and not cracked in or cracked out. You want to make sure that there's no cracks in the body of the vise as well. If you go up here and you turn around, we're going to make sure that you guys see that there is no cracks where the screws are right here. And also, I'm going to take the handle and I'm going to show you guys how to make sure that the screw is intact and available. Now, you want to make sure that you guys have either a Kurt authentic vise handle or an aftermarket. What I like to make sure is that it has the Kurt brand, because it's not as much, it doesn't have as much wear as the aftermarket handles. So you see it tightly right here. So if you guys look right here, you guys are going to see the screw. And when I turn it right here, you guys are going to see that it's all intact and you don't have any gunk inside or any cracks. as you could see right here. A lot of times when they're in the machining center or they're in the CNC Bridgeport, a lot of gunk gets in here. Now, if you guys are familiar or you guys run a mill, you guys are going to understand what I'm saying. If you're new to buying a milling machine or a machining center, when you buy the vise, you're going to understand, and you want to make sure that it's very, very clean. So if you guys like the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Please comment to the other questions, but please be respectful when commenting to other questions. Make sure that you guys are respectful to my comments, and make sure that you guys have a great day.